blessed be friends. Join me as we adventure to visit several wonderful places in the Philippines and also on up-to-date situations in the areas. Ride with me as we visit coffee shops, restaurants, resorts, and discover with me many more joyful ride destinations of our beautiful country. Today, we are riding to MVK Grill House in San Pedro Laguna, Philippines to check out their famous burger steak. But first, do like and subscribe. Yes, like and subscribe here in this channel. It's Lobo Viajero here with you. And let the journey begin. Up, on the go. We are traversing along the main road of Manila South Road along San Pedro. Is around 27 kilometers as part of the Pan-Philippine Highway Road Network. It runs from Montellano Street in Muntinlupa City, enters Laguna, and passes through the cities of San Pedro, Bayan, Santa Rosa, and Cabuya, and ends in Calamba, where the road ends at the intersection of Maharlika Highway and Manila East Road, located at Calamba Crossing. Yes, this is a part of a national highway of the Philippines, whereas tricycles are not allowed. But as you can see, these tricycles are all over the place. Why? I do not really know. Perhaps some traffic laws of the country needs to be reviewed. Entering now is Pasita Avenue, the main road of Pasita Complex residential area. As you can see, it's a mixed zone area in a way that some small businesses are located in the place. Brilliant, I think. This zone system allows the community to be self-sustained in a way that one does not need to travel far to have some access with some basic services and goods, and also very efficient traffic flow in the community. Additionally, a mixed zone area provides a platform for people to come together and share ideas and experiences with one another. This can help to foster understanding and create a more cohesive community. But I must admit that driving around the place needs some getting used to. Ha 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 ha, ha 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 ha. And do not worry, you'll survive. And here, along Manansala Street of Chrysanthemum Village, San Pedro Laguna, is the home of MVK Grill House. MVK Grill House is a partnership between Miriam, Valley, and Kelly, a small cozy place with your choice of air condition or al fresco dining area. The atmosphere here is warm and inviting, with a comfortable seating area and friendly staff. The menu have a variety of options to please everyone, and your food are prepared as you order. Note, this is not a fast food. Ambience here is inviting and comfortable. Either you're an outdoor person or prepared an air-conditioned room, this place can accommodate you nicely. Just relax, enjoy your time, and be welcomed. As you can see, the al fresco area varies its motif from side to side, a place for large group or a personal corner for you. It's here, so sit down and be happy. While the air-conditioned area has a character of its own, the space is well lit, have comfortable seating, and free of clutter. It is comfortable, inviting, and aesthetically pleasing. The architecture designed to reflect the good food served here with traditional solid dark woods and plush strong leather. The staff is friendly, knowledgeable, and attentive. He knows the place and able to answer any questions politely. The food is served quickly, hot, and in an appropriate amount.
Good morning po, welcome po sa MVK Grill House.
I had a yummy burger steak that is cooked to perfection and served with delicious side dishes, well seasoned and cooked to the desired temperature. The steakhouse have a variety of steak options to please all tastes. It also includes special cuts of steak such as ribeye, sirloin, filet mignon, and so on. What can I say? The place is lovely. Maybe small, but very cozy, with good food, good location, right in the middle of San Pedro Laguna, and great service. Interior arrangement are a wonderful mix of Filipino arts with a touch of European elegance. Surely it's a beautiful day that the Lord has made, so let us rejoice and be glad in it. But do not forget to subscribe. Yes, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Always ride safe and ride another day. Lobo Viajero here, wishing you all merry meet and merry part.